Hello, this is Dr. Adelberg, and in this presentation, we'll get started with RoboCell and cell setup. We'll double-click cell setup, and in a couple of seconds, it'll pop up. We'll start a new project and click a robot. Then when the robot expands, we'll bring the ER for you. Click OK, and now we have the robot on a camera. We can adjust the direction of the camera such that we see it clearly. The next thing we like to do is save that file. So we do save as, and let's bring it into desktop. So we'll define it as demo. And now the scene is saved. The next thing what we'll do is we'll click RoboCell. RoboCell is coming up, and we'll see the scene. Once again, we start a new project. Double-click the blue button, and then click File and import the 3D demo that we just saved. When we double-click that, we see the scene, and we bring it in to the right-hand side of the RoboCell screen. What we like to do now is take a look at some of the features. The first feature we like to do is, by the way, if we want to position the robot in a slightly better location, we center it and then can bring it on a close-up. We take a look at some of the icons and the features we have. When we click on this icon, the gripper will open. When we click the one above, the gripper will close. We could save this position by typing in a number. Let's call this park position 99. We type 99, and then we record that position. Now the controller will remember that this position, the robot will start as 99. The next thing we like to do is move the robot in various axes. We recommend that the student will click each one of these axes. For example, this axis, move in a joint 1 in a positive direction, call the position after a while, position 1, and save it. Then we could move, for example, the position 3 and also position 2. When we see this icon, this means that the robot is at its limit position. We cannot move it any further, so we can try the other direction. We can record this position as position 2 and then save it. Once we save these two positions, we can write a short program. We can click the professional and highlight the comments. Then if we come into go to linear position with speed set at %, double click it, we see that command. Then our first target position from position 99 will be position 1. We click 1. We could go either in the joint or in linear position. Joint will be fast, so we can set up the speed to high speed, 90% of the maximum, and click OK. Next, we go to position 2, double-click that same command, and bring in position 2. Again, we'll move there with joint motion at speed of 90% of the maximum. click OK, and then what we could do is go back to the original position, double click that. Now we go back to the park position 99, and we'll do that this time in linear position, and this will be at 50% slower speed. And we then click OK. With this, we completed our first program. We ended with the end command, and the program is now ready to roll. We could test it by clicking this icon right here, which says line single axis. But before then, we like to bring in, once again, the sin of the robot, and we can place the robot at its initial position by clicking this reset work cell. When we reset the work cell, the robot is back to its start position, and we could now run the program in one cycle. So the robot is going to position 1, position 2, and then linearly from position 2 to 99. We could take a look once again at the close-up of this motion, and move the camera a little bit such that we could see it a little better. And back to position 99, the first command. Now we'll run the program continuously, and the robot is going to run through the program over and over again. Notice that from position 99 to position 1, all the joints are moving the same as 1 to 2, but here the motion is straight line to position 2 to position 99. This completes our getting started presentation of RoboCell and cell setup. What we like the student to do is to repeat this process and program the robot to move continuously between 3 program points. Thank you.